And when you were planning in Hyderabad, why in Hyderabad only?
Why Hyderabad? Hyderabad is like our place, like most, last we have seen like in last 5 years we have the Hyderabad has developed so much, like too many IT sectors, like your hospital sectors, educational institute, so many things are there. It is like one of the upcoming work, it's already came,
Yeah.
but it is most like growing city. So that's what like we have
But
chosen
how is the
Hyderabad.
journey? I want to know when you were planning. What are the struggle and challenges? Because already we had a huge variety of food here, and you know the restaurant. It was a big challenge for you. What was going in your mind?
First of all, like when we are opening this bigger restaurant, like which is like 500 seater.
Yeah.
So our biggest challenge was like, are the people will come, like people
Yes.
will accept the
Yes.
trend, people will join us or not, support us or no. Then like after so much of brainstorming, like we have roam around, like you can say like almost 30 to 50 buffet restaurants
Okay.
to know the like
Strength, yeah,
what's
what is
going,
going
on,
on.
what is like lacking in the buffets. So where what is the people exactly want, I mean people are liking. So those things we have worked on so much. Like what is the current, I mean what Hyderabad people will like.
Okay.
Hyderabad has most, I mean local people plus you have most of the North Indians also. So what other people also liking, like most visiting also happening in if you take ITs. So most of the like the international people also they are visiting our cities like and all. So we wanted to like get everything, like what people are liking, what people are looking in the buffet. So we have so much of brainstorming and we have
So
got this
it's been a
product
2 months, right?
it's a second month is running.
How
So
is
it's
the
almost,
response in 1 month, and
response
how
is
is the
very
spread?
good actually.
Yeah.
We were very happy. We are very happy with the response actually. So people, as you can see, like people are still like waiting to join us. Actually, people
Okay.
are not getting the tables, not getting the reservations.
Okay.
So they are like coming up.
The best compliment you get from the people, you would like to say.
Yes,
That
compliment.
motivates, right?
Right. So they have the first compliment, of course, like for the ambience they're giving. Like the once they are entering into the restaurant, they are seeing like it's a kind of museum we are seeing and all.
Okay, museum based restaurant.
Museum
Space
there,
and museum, good
so
way you
that's
said.
what they
Okay.
said, like then they after having the food, like they are complimenting the food, like all the tastes I mean we have gone through the so many buffet restaurants, but we haven't got like so many tastes. I mean each dish has a different taste.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's the thing. Then of course service part. Service, like they are appreciating service, like you have that personal touch. Each and every guest, like people go and talk to each and every guest, like take their feedbacks, whatever they are feeling like they need to rectify, they'll do it immediately and get it back. So those things are happening.
Obviously, when these big places come, our celebrities also love to come here. So there are
Correct,
some
sure.
celebrities you would like to tell they came and they complimented you and they
I can
loved
say
your
like
food.
who are,
You can name them. You can tell they love experience. People always, wanted to
we
hear
have
that.
so many
Who
favorites.
comes
Like
and they come and what they like, you can just reveal like they loved it, this place. And you have also had a great experience talking to them.
Correct,
Or they complimented you about that.
we have so many. I mean, we have people came here actually.
Some of them you can name.
You
Yeah.
can say like recently, like, the day before yesterday, like Anusuya Bharadwaj came.
Acha,
actually.
okay.
She was gave good feedback on the product.
Okay.
Then one of the time, like Johnny Master came.
Okay.
So he gave a good feedbacks on it. So people are coming.
Telugu
still,
actors
like,
from
Telugu
Mahesh
actors.
Babu, Allu
Not
Arjun, they have
exactly,
start coming,
no,
Junior
there are
NTR.
too many big
No.
names. But hopefully,
All
let's
other
see.
actors. Heroines
Hopefully.
from actresses, anybody
Not
has come?
exactly, ma'am. I don't remember exact
Okay.
names, but I am sure like there are
So
people
celebrities
coming.
are loving, they are coming in.
There are people are coming, so we are expecting.
So
much
what,
more.
which is the section they love the most? Matlab, whomever
So
the
that's what, like,
celebrities.
the Pan-Asian everybody wants
Everyone
to
wants
taste,
that.
and the dessert part.
Because South you get it everywhere. The different thing is
South and North, you're getting it everywhere. So the Pan-Asian, like your bowls and all, your Chinese buns are there. These are they're loving. Momos are there. So these are the main part, like which they are loving it.
So who are the starters, like when the co-founders, if we talk about how many they are, like they are the one or two, how many? They're from Hyderabad.
We have two like management. I mean, we have a management team. Like we have two guys.
Okay.
So one is Mr. Gautam. The other part is like Mrs. Sri Lakshmi.
Okay.
So they both are from Hyderabad actually.
Okay.
So they manage this property. I mean, they are the
They
owners
are,
of this.
they are in
the
Hyderabad, or
founders
they
of
keep traveling, they never
They
here.
keep traveling now.
Okay.
They come like around like once in a
So
week. or
you,
something.
the core person who
So
actually
we
take
run-
care,
we run, yes, sir.
the core person who
Correct,
takes care
correct.
of that. So what are the timings like morning and the evening, two times,
the
right?
buffet starts from like 12 o'clock onwards. So lunch, like we have two slots in lunch, 12 to 2 and 2 to 4. And dinner starts from 7 o'clock, 7 to 9, 9 to 12.
Okay.
So we have
So
two
any
different-
other expectations going other place of the city? Like Hyderabad is your like
So
the
let's
first
say, I mean,
destination.
we have an expansion plan, but we don't wanted to do it right now. But we wanted to set this place standards and all accordingly.
I
then
think
we'll
people
move
will
it out.
copy the theme also, like the biggest buffet.
Correct,
In
correct,
other
I mean,
cities also we can have it now.
We have a plan of doing it, but first of all, like this is our base restaurant, so we wanted to set this with proper standards and all. So then we probably move it on.
Would you like to go like for World Guinness record?
Not exactly.
Have
ma'am.
you
right
tried
now,
for
right
that?
now it is too much early for us.
Yeah.
Like probably not sure. Like hopefully.
So every day you get 300 dishes, different varieties or the
So
repeated?
we have a rotational menu where we rotate, like we have 5 different menus. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then
Okay.
on Saturday again, like Monday menu will come. Then and again Sundays we have Sunday brunches.
Okay.
Where you have different menu, different live counters. I mean extra live counters. We have live band. We have
Okay, the
live
music also
Music
like that.
also we have kids activities. We have every week, like we keep rotating kids activities, like some day like tattoos, nail painting, pottery, somewhere mehendi, those kind of kids
Mm-hmm. That
activities.
also
are
activities
there,
keep going.
Right. So this is the.
I must say, I mean, that's a good journey. Trying a 300 variety of dish under a buffet, and I think they're very economical also. They're not much
Correct.
expensive.
It is not
They're
much expensive. Also, the prices are like it's vegetarian, it's 1400, non-vegetarian, it is 1500.
That's normal.
We have,
And,
it's huge space actually. You have we have private dining space which is for 30 people. We have a private dining space which is for 150 people. So people are coming up with the events, like they wanted to do kitty parties. We have a space. They are coming up with birthday parties.
everything that you
anniversaries, they have a space.
But main is your buffet, like 300 varieties and the
Right.
biggest. And the look,
Look,
museum,
exactly.
and plus you said that the space look.
Right.
That's a very different concept, and I think keep going. I think you are new to the like Hyderabad, the
Market.
new concept, and I
Right.
think people are going to accept it because people are looking for a change. They want new things to be discovered in Hyderabad. So thank you for giving
Thank
us
you so much.
time and giving us India biggest buffet in Hyderabad.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure to meet.
Really relaxing, and I really must say, seeing a lot of food, lot of place at one place, like seeing 300 variety of food. I must say, you know, you're already full of stomach when you see a lot of food. But really, the international food, all variety of food of India under one place, and the biggest buffet we just covered, you know, how it looks and what you will get. Everything is under one roof in Hyderabad. I must say, you should try it, and it will be a great fun with kids and a family to come here. For more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.